What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play online co-op with friends or against friends in MLB The Show 26. So there are two ways to do it. For the first method, we need to scroll down to the bottom until we get to the online co-op section. Here just select online co-op, then you'll get two options, 2v2 or 3v3. So basically you can team up with your friend and play against random opponent. So let's say I select 2v2, then I'll get the next menu where I can invite my friend. So for that we just need to wait a bit, and now you can see I have this plus icon where I can just select it and then my friends list will pop up. I can just select my friend, then invite him to your co-op lobby, and once he accepts your invite he will be added in your team. Then you can just select your team, select stadium, and then the opponents will be found in your game and you can start playing together. So this was the method for playing with friends. And in case you want to play against your friend like opponent, then we have to go to the top and then select your profile icon from the top left corner. After that go to friends from here and then it will open your friends list. Select the friend you want to play against. So I want to play against this friend, then I need to select him. Now select invite to exhibition game. After that we can adjust our match options like innings, difficulty, pitching difficulty and quick counts. So just adjust all of these things according to your need, then press A or cross. Now we have to select the park where we want to play. So I want to play here, I'll just select that, and now additional options will be shown to you. Just confirm them and press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation. Then invitation will be sent to your friend, and once he accepts your invite you will be added as opponents in the game. So my friend is offline, that's why he can't join my game. So this was the process for playing with friend or against friends in MLB The Show 26. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.